If you are new to the iPad or just would like to be more efficient in how you type, I want to show you 10 keyboard tricks that may help you type faster on your iPad. Number 1, capitalize a letter. So if you have to type something and you need a capital letter, you can press on the up arrow, go to whatever letter it is you need to type, and it will automatically capitalize it. That saves you from having to press and then go to the letter. You can simply press and drag to the letter that you want to type. Number 2, type a number by pressing the 1, 2, 3 key and drag to the number you want. So if I wanted to type in the number 2012, I simply press, go up to 2000. Notice how I press on the number, I drag up and I release, and it goes right back to the letters. This saves me from having to switch between the number mode to type something, then switch back to the letter mode. Number 3, to type special characters such as an enye, press and hold the letter that you would think it would be under. For example, the enye is underneath the N. Drag up to the enye and you can type out an enye. If I wanted to type the word senor, I could simply type in S-E-N-Y-O-R and I can access special characters. Number 4, at the end of a sentence, tap space twice to automatically insert a period and capitalize the next letter. So here I'm typing the end of a sentence. Instead of a period, I simply tap the space bar twice, and notice how it puts a period in and it capitalizes the next letter. Number 5, leave out the apostrophe and contractions. For example, when I type out don't, it automatically corrects it for me. Number 6, create custom keyboard shortcuts. Let's say that you always type out something like learning is fun, or you have some technical term that is very long to type out, or you're worried about the spelling. And you want to create a shortcut so that every time you type your shortcut, this phrase or word appears. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my settings, general, go down to keyboard settings. Notice that my shortcut is turned on. I want to add a new shortcut. My phrase is learning is fun. Now my shortcut, I'm just going to type in LIF, save, go back to my notes. Now, when I type out LIF, notice how it gives me the option to put that in. So the shortcut keys are a great way to save time when you're typing the same words over and over. Number 7, you can copy and paste text by double-clicking on the text. You can choose Select. The blue dots are showing you where you're selecting. And you can drag the dots to choose the area you want. When you have the area selected, you can choose Copy, or you can choose Cut, which will delete and copy the text. I'm simply going to copy it, click somewhere else, double tap, and paste. Number 8, you can split the iPad keyboard in half if you like typing with your thumbs. Simply press on the keyboard, go up to Split, and now you can type with your thumbs if you're more accustomed that way. You can also press on the keyboard to go back, dock and merge. If you want to move your keyboard, simply press on the keyboard, undock, and you can click on the keyboard icon and move it wherever you like. Number 9, and one of my favorites, if you're still not that great at typing, you can always press the microphone next to the space bar and record what you say. Press the microphone again, and it will type out what you have said. Number 10, and in my opinion the most important, practice. Force yourself to use the typing function on non-essential projects. That way, when you have to use the iPad's keyboard function, you'll be much more efficient at typing in and taking notes on the iPad.